How does Safari's reader work and when does it show up? Safari's reader feature is a cool little app that displays a web page as a newspaper article without all the distracting sidebars, comments, and ads. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, and I'm wondering how it knows when to show up. On my personal website, one of the pages has this option. You can click the reader button in the URL bar and it is displayed beautifully like a page in an iBook. However, none of my other web pages, on the same site, do this. I thought it had something to do with the and LT, article and GT, tag, but I removed that and it still works. Anyone know how this app works? Also, does anyone know of any Chrome extensions that are just like this? Google Reader is not the same thing. P.S. From the cited Apple website. Safari Reader. As you browse the web, Safari detects if you are on a web page with an article. Click the reader button that appears in the Smart Address field and an elegant view of the article appears, without any distracting content. Not much help, is it?
Safari's reader makes use of readability. Readability turns any web page into a clean view for reading now or later on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. There's this nice article about how Safari's reader detects the text you should consider reading. It looks like that Safari Reader will detect a and LT, div and GT, or block level element that contains a header element, an LT, H1 and GT, to an LT, H6 and GT, followed by a certain amount of text. The reader badge will appear when the content text, not including the header, is more than 2,000 characters. There's a readability extension for Chrome which you can get from here.
You can take a look at its source code. Method how to obtain it is here.
Evernote offers a similar plugin for Chrome called Clearly that also integrates with an Evernote notebook if you use that system. This URL. There is also a Clearly plugin for Firefox. Installing the plugin gives you a toolbar button next to the address bar that you click to view a clean version of the page, and which includes a few GUI tweaks for low light or background color change if beige offends your sensibilities, as well as a button to copy the cleared page to an Evernote notebook.
If you